Want a polished and clean UI for your e-commerce platform? Here's what I built in 5 minutes using RapidNative. Just gave one single line of prompt, create an e-commerce platform for FMCG goods, and it made a clean mobile app. So we can see that it has added beverages, dairy, eggs, and cart, which takes us to the items, the number of items we want, Greek yogurt, and then checkout, and a profile. This looks like a very practical system that e-commerce platforms or stores, retail stores can use to make their day-to-day transactions quick and easy, convenient. And here we have a preview option of seeing how will it look on a real phone screen. Yes, it does look impressive. And the cart, yes, it shows the cart. And the profile, yes, so quick, so easy. And then export, we can download or get an APK, and then we can even check out the code. Yes, yeah, that's the code there and the database. And there is a select option which can change one particular option. Run on phone, where a user can scan this and get it on his or her phone. And this is the deploy. This is true with RapidNative, that whatever you've built in just under 5 or 10 minutes can now be made public and can be deployed to the app stores. So Quick Mart, company, bundle, developer accounts. I'm gonna put some username and then some access token. And all the info is given here, so no hassle at all. Yeah, so there's a privacy policy that was generated in just about 1 minute, and it's editable. So with this, now I can do approve, and then there's the submit for deployment. So yeah, this is how my phone app, React Native mobile app, is made in just about 5 minutes.